welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be doing a quick review of the tower toaster. This is a 2 sliced bread toaster and it comes in black and gold, rose gold. I bought the black and rose gold because I have other ones like the kitchen roll holder, the kettle, all in black and rose gold to match my kitchen, so you can get yours in any color of your choice. The toaster is hot and you have to put it on medium. The only problem that I've noticed with this toaster is that it doesn't toast the entire bread. If you put in, let me put one sliced bread in it just to show you. It's not deep enough, so you push it down. You see it's turned on to blue, so it's toasting, but the bread doesn't go down to the bottom. I've complained about this, but I didn't hear back from them. The depth is not deep enough. So what I have to do most times is to toast half of the bread and then flip it, downwards again to toast the remainder of the tip, which is quite, not very convenient if you are in a rush during breakfast in the morning. And that's how it goes. So you push it back up and then you have your toast nice and ready for your breakfast. That's all I can say about this toaster, apart from the weakness of it not being deep enough, so you don't get your toast all toasted at once. You have to flip it up and down to have the entire sliced bread toasted. Apart from that, there's nothing else to say about it. I'm not going to buy it again because, like I said, I like my bread toasted at once, but with the color coordination that I have in my home, I love it and I'll recommend it for you if you don't mind that little problem. Like I said, I've not been paid by Tower. This is just products that I've decided to buy last year, 2020, and I love the color coordination they had. They have it in bread knife set, they have it in kitchen roll holder, they have it in mug tray, and I just thought it was perfect for my black and white, black and gold coordination of my kitchen. So I hope you enjoy this review and do comment, please subscribe and keep the channel going. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.